Hello everyone, my name is Jahangir Jadi and today we are going to create a list view in Flutter. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First we'll create a new Flutter project, Flutter application, click next, give your project a name, set your Flutter path, HTTP path, click next and then finish. This will take a little time. Okay, so our project's ready. First remove the boilerplate code. Okay, so now we'll create a stateless widget. Stateless widget we are going to name the same as this, my app. We are also going to create a stateful widget. We are going to name it Flutter list. Okay, here we'll return a material app. The home would be Flutter list. We'll give it a title. The title will be Flutter list view. Okay, so now we will create a first element. We will create a list view builder, listview.builder. This requires two parameters. The first one would be the context. You can name it whatever you like. The second one would be the index of the list. This is very important. This index will be of the list which we are going to add in this. So now we need to return a view. The view would be the list style. The list style have default properties, so we are going to use them. The leading would be the circle avatar. Circle avatar requires a child. The child would be the icon. I am going to add an icon here later. Now the title would be the text, and in last we are going to add a subtitle. Subtitle would also be the text. Okay, so what we are missing? We are missing a list. We want a list from which data will be binded into this list view. Okay, so now we will create our list. Final my list equals. Okay, sorry. First we need to create a model, a data model. We'll create a package models. We'll create a dart file. I'll name it user because we are going to create a user model. We need to import material.dart. We'll create a class user. The user will have some properties like name. The user will also have an image. We will use icon data icon for now. We can also add an image here, but as we don't have any images here, we can use icon data instead. Now in the last we will add an email. We need to create a constructor to initialize these parameters. I will add all of them here. The shortcut for creating a constructor is Alt Insert. Then you will get a dialog. then select all the properties and then click OK. Then your constructor will be generated. Okay, so now we need to add user. I'll name user icons dot whatever icon. I'll use email. I will add email. Now we need to generate more items. I'll duplicate them all. Now John at gmail.com. The icon would be the laptop. Alexander, the mouse. Okay, random names, you can give whatever you like. Alex. Now Tom. Cruise at gmail.com. I will home. Lastly, Albert at gmail.com. Oh, last bottom. Okay, so now we also need to add the total items which we are going to add in the list. So we can have the dynamic list, and we don't know what will be the size of the list. So in this case we are going to add the item count, and we are going to add the size of our list. The list.length would give what return integer value, which will be the item count. So in the child we have added circle avatar. Circle avatar will be a round shape in which we are going to add an image. So our image would be my list index dot I. The text would be index dot name. The name would be the username. My list index dot email. Okay, I think we are good to go now. Are we missing something? Yes, we just made a blunder. We forgot to create scaffold. Scaffold body, and in body we are going to create this, and in scaffold we are going to add app bar. The app bar would have a title. The title would be the my Flutter list. Okay, now I think we are good to go now. We'll run the project. This will take time. Okay, I will speed up the process now. Okay, now as you can see our project is built now, and you can see on this screen, this is our list. This is the circle avatar which we have added here. This is the name, this is the email, this is the listview.builder. By default it will be the scrollable list. If I can show you scrollable list, I will duplicate all these items so you can see the list. Okay, now as you can see, this is a scrollable list. The scroll is the default property of a list. So that's all for today. Do give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.